Getting a little bit of action in here with the stands. Trying to teach the girls how to be on a milking stand. I'm gonna do a little hoof trimming while we're here. That wind every time you start doing something. Get back, Todd. Todd, stop. Sadie, no. Sadie. Sadie. Todd, get. Yeah, so getting some hoof trimming in. You already ate all your pellets, Sadie? Yeah. Gotta get you used to being milk girl. Yeah, little practice. We gotta get some practice, yeah. We gotta get some practice. You're gonna do just fine, I think. Wait till your sister's done. Oreo's gonna be the one that gives more of a problem. Clearly. Oreo, stop. Oreo. Oreo. Hey, relax. Gotta relax, girlfriend. Here, do your front one. Get your head back in there. What you doing? Okay, eat your pellets, then you can get down. Well, we got 2 milking stands for the girls. We're gonna try to teach some of the other ones. I don't think they'll be able to do it, but these 2 will, and I think Caramel will.